Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are back in the front garden and I'm working on just cleaning up the landscaping a little bit, getting all the dead stuff from the winter either, kind of raked to the side or taken back to the compost pile or the burn pile. So last night we had all kinds of really strong wind. It never ended up storming, but I'll show you in a little bit the big pile of all the trimmings from my hydrangea and just some of the decorative grasses that I cleaned up. Kind of got all thrown about, so I'm going to clean that up. It's quite a bit cooler today. I think the high is only going to be 50 or 55, which is fine. It's sunny. It feels great. It feels like a nice spring day. Normally, once the trees start really blooming, my allergies kick in. I'm really allergic to tree pollen, so I'm really enjoying being able to get out here before that happens. I'm not miserable. I'm enjoying it. And like I said, I'm just trying to work on little chunks at a time. Today, I'm not really setting a timer because I don't have much else going on today, which is nice. My husband's actually out at my dad's helping him with some cleanup around the outside of his house. So, and my daughter's inside writing a letter to her cousin because we miss all of our friends now that we're all stuck at home for a little while. So it's a great time to just be out enjoying the fresh air. Obviously the wind chime is being blown about with this strong breeze today. I probably won't do much filming while I'm or much talking while I'm working because it's going to be so windy, but I will see you out in the yard. Hi, honey.
And then I'm gonna finally pick some glass.
Okay, that sounds good.
This can cover all for the concrete.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't want, well, I should say wood.
Wood?
Yeah.
Hey, could you make sure the door is closed?
Oh.
Thank you.
Why not would that happen?
I don't know. That's kind of funny, isn't it? Here, can you put this tape measure up there? I don't really need it right now.
Well, I actually think I might.
Oh, okay. You gonna do some measuring? Mm-hmm. All right.
Just to see how long the home is.
Ah, good idea.
This is 17.
It's 17?
Yep. So,
17 inches?
yep.
Oh, good, okay.
And see the board's home.
Oh, okay.
Something like really popped the bus up.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Did it pop out of there or something?
I guess so.
Oh, okay.
It was like an animal was there.
An animal was in there, huh? Wonder what that was.
It's 8.
It's 8 inches?
The home is 8.
Okay. Oops, I dropped some here.
The home is 8 inches.
Okay.
The boat home is 8 inches.
Okay.
And
Do you hear our friend?
yeah, can I use any of those?
Any of the grass?
Any of these?
Those flowers? What do you want to do with them?
I just want to put them around the home so it doesn't look like a foot.
Oh, okay.
Can I?
A few. I don't think you need to do a lot of them, though.
Okay. But 2 or 1 would be
2 or
fine.
1 would be okay, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna probably do like one just like this.
Okay.
Like this because how tiny and beautiful it is.
Okay.
And one white lily.
Okay.
Look. They're literally the same names.
Oh, wow, that's a daffodil.
Yeah. Little guys, I'm just gonna put you in. My yellow daffodil fell.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay, so yesterday I left you where I was working on pruning back this limelight hydrangea bush, and then our neighbors were coming down their driveway. They have a 5-year-old son, and he's in the same kindergarten class with my daughter, so we decided to do some social distancing, and we met them down at the library parking lot at the bottom of the hill, and Adelina got to ride her bike around, and he was riding his scooter, and his mom and I just kind of stood apart and chatted and had a nice time enjoying the good weather while the kids enjoyed it as well. So anyway, last night I did end up really pruning this quite a bit. I don't know if I did it right or not, so we're gonna find out. I think the next thing I need to do for sure is to get some fertilizer. I believe I'm gonna use Plantone, which is an organic fertilizer that's just kind of a general one. Or I may get Rose Tone, or I think there's another one that's good for hydrangeas, but either way, it's more of a reasonable size now, and I discovered there were quite a bit of little shoots coming out down here all over the ground. So I trimmed all those back because I think that part of what was happening was it was sending all those out and then kind of getting leggy and spread out on top. So I'm hoping now it's just a more compact bush with lots of blooms just on the bush area, on the shrub itself. So that was that project, and then as you can see, I need to clean up. Oh man, we've got somebody picking flowers there, so I need to clean up all of this, and the wind kind of blew around my stack of what I had trimmed. I also went ahead and trimmed all the grass back that was growing around the little pond here, and I definitely need to clean it out as well today. So I will clean up this mess and check back in with you. Okay, so we've gotten this all cleaned up here. Adelina found her shovel and gloves, so she's digging. And now I think I need to work a little bit more on this side. I did pull out some dead sprouts and limbs from that hydrangea, and you can kind of see there's some green peeking up at the bottom. So what's left is alive, and I'm pretty sure that's the kind that lives on, or that flowers on the old wood, so the wood from last year. So I'm leaving that. And I forgot that I also have grapevines that grow on this arbor right here, so I need to go in and prune those back as well. Get that ready for the spring. And of course the pond needs to be cleaned, and then we need to get the pump going on that. And I have lots more to do over here in this flower bed, but I'm just gonna keep working one thing at a time. Yes.
Can I say something?
Yes.
There's raccoon poop on the stairs.
Oh, and there's raccoon poop on the stairs. We'll have to clean that off.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
my.
said that because you didn't say it.
I didn't say it. Okay, well now it's on video. We got it. Okay, so got that cleaned up. I'm gonna take that out to the burn pile, and I think that might be it because my daughter's getting impatient. So the last thing I want to try to do is on the side of the house there are some trees, shrubs, bushes, I'm not sure what they are, but they're rubbing against the siding. So I want to trim those back real quick, and then I think I'm going to be done for today. I do still need to prune the boxwoods. That'll come maybe in another video, maybe I'll just do it, we'll see, but hopefully that was helpful. I'll show you the quick pruning job over there on the side in just a minute. Okay, so as we walk around the side of the front porch here, actually this is a good view right here, so pretty sure this is what is causing the issue. Some of those limbs have grown and are now rubbing against the siding, so let me get you set up and we'll get that trimmed. Okay, so as you can see, it's better than it was. I got what I could reach. There might be a few at the very top that are going to be a problem in a few years, but for right now, it's windy out here. It's better than it was. It hopefully won't be making that squeaky noise on the siding anymore, which is good. And I think I'm going to clean up. I'll take that little batch of limbs I've trimmed off to the compost or the burn pile, one or the other, and then it's time to play house. My daughter has been patiently waiting to play house. So thanks for joining me today. Hopefully I've inspired you to get out and tackle a few projects outside, or maybe just some of your spring cleaning projects. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks again and have a great day. Bye-bye.